I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Nissan Maxima seats. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the battery is disconnected for safety. You'll need a socket wrench set and a trim removal tool. Begin by sliding the front seats all the way forward to access the two rear mounting bolts. Then, slide them back to reach the two front bolts. Carefully remove all 4 bolts for each front seat. Once the bolts are out, gently tilt the seat backward to expose the electrical connectors underneath. Disconnect all wiring harnesses, paying close attention to airbag and sensor connections. With the wiring free, carefully lift the entire seat out of the vehicle. Remember, these seats can be heavy, so consider having a helper. Repeat these steps for the other front seat. Now let's move to the rear seats. For the bottom cushion, locate the 2 release levers or bolts, usually found at the front edge. Push or unbolt them, then lift the cushion straight up and out. Next, you'll see bolts securing the lower part of the rear seat backrest. Remove these bolts to prepare for the final step. With the lower bolts removed, lift the rear seat backrest upwards to disengage it from its top hooks. Be mindful of any remaining electrical connections, especially for speakers or sensors, and disconnect them. Carefully maneuver the entire backrest out of the car. You've successfully removed all the seats. For more great tips and product recommendations, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.